Tired of the codex64.dll error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. To start fixing codex64 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the codex64, the 64-bit Steam Emulator library developed by the CODEX scene group. It functions as a redirection shim for the Steamworks API, enabling software archival and offline play by bypassing the mandatory Steam client check. Because it hooks into active memory to intercept API calls, it is frequently deleted by Windows security, causing modded or archived games to fail with a module load error. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. codex64 is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the codex64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like codex64, DLL within your System 32 or syswow64 folders. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining codex64. If you've regained access to codex64 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.